Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold falls as traders assess mixed signals from Trump administration. Gold dips as Trump eases trade tensions with tariff exemptions. Yes, gold prices dropped on Monday as US President Donald Trump eased trade tensions by granting tariff exemptions on smartphone, computers, and other electronics primarily imported from China. As we all know that there was a trade war threat because of which gold was super bullish, and after these exemptions, market is expecting that the trade war trade will slowly go down. You can see gold eases of record levels, so market is expecting that the trade war not trade war trade war trade will be going down, as a result of which we can see, I won't say the downside, but we can see little easiness on gold. Gold was super bullish for the last couple of days, and now we can see that technically market is in consolidation. In a previous video on Saturday, we discussed about the possibility of a correction also, because on the daily chart of gold, we have a clear divergence, and because of the ongoing market sentiment, there is a possibility that we may see some downside. I'm not talking about any trend reversal here, because many of you are still holding sell positions from 2600, 2700. Okay, I cannot even imagine. Okay, but as of now, if market drops also, I won't be surprised. I'm expecting market to come around 3140, 3150 area. Okay, if market takes support around this area, this can be a good opportunity to buy. Okay, but as of now, market is showing signs of easiness, so you need to be a little careful as a buyer as well. So far we have made good profit because we were on the buy side. Okay, but as a buyer also, we need to be a little cautious right now. So let's discuss one by one. On Saturday, we discussed about the level of 3250 and how crucial 3250 is for the market because of the number of contracts standing at 3250. And we can see the number of contracts are still the same. There is no reduction, means 3250 is still a very valid resistance for the market. And as we all know, that market has been very sensitive to news. If any news comes out by the US session or by tomorrow, then we may see market breaking 3250 and heading towards 3300. But without any news, chances of market 3250 is less because the number of contracts or the sellers at 3250 are not reducing. And if market breaks 3250, then it will be heading towards 3300 or 3350. So it all depends on the news. So stay in touch with the news. If you see that market has formed a big green candle, it means something has come up again, and we need to follow the trend of the market again. So if you see that market has formed a sudden big green candle, then obviously you can look for a buy above 3250 area. But if you do not want to take any risk because false breakout can be dangerous, then after the breakout, just wait, because after a couple of hours, when market will be coming down and take support around 3250, 3245 area, you can buy again. If you ask me personally, I feel that when market is showing signs of consolidation, we can go for a small buy above 3250. And when market will be coming down for retracement, take support around this area, it can be a good buying opportunity. But as of now, market is in consolidation. That's a good sign. But we have seen the market sentiment. We have seen the divergence on daily chart as well. So the fundamental and the technical are aligning. We can see that there is also a possibility of a correction as well. Okay, so again I'm repeating, my difference. Okay, though we have many levels here on the chart, or we are about to discuss some buying opportunities, but during the US session, if you see market forming big green candles, then you can sit on a sell position temporarily. Okay, because right now market has not given any indication of a heavy selling pressure, so obviously I'm not going to talk about it. But if market shows some heavy selling pressure, you can take a sell position as well, because I'm recording the video in the Asian session and right now market seems to be in consolidation only. So whatever we are about to discuss, those are from the consolidation perspective. Okay, so the first level where we can look for a buy is around 3210, 3208. If market stays like this, for example, you can see that the market is low volatile. Before US session, we can expect the market to remain like this. If market comes down, you can look for a support around 3210, 3208 area. It can be 3211 also, because this is a support zone for the market. When market will be coming down, observe the market around this area. If you see market is taking support, chances are very high the market will take support because of low volume. You can look for a buy position. Okay, during the US session, if market surprise us with a big red candle, it will not form. The second buying opportunity on the chart of gold is around 3192, 3189. This is the second buying opportunity on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. Why? Because of previous support, and we have the 50 moving average around this area. Okay, and the second support is around 3175, 3175, 3174 area. So all three not no 3175, 3190, okay, 9192 area. Okay, these are good levels where you can look for a buy. And you can see, my dear friend, 3175 is also FIBO 0.236 retracement. So in case of a drop, we can expect the market to take support around this area. See why we are still discussing about buying opportunities, because for the last couple of months, okay, we have seen that market has shown many times that there is a possibility of a trend reversal, but market never came down. So that's why, okay, we need to respect the ongoing trend of the market. Yes, we need to consider the possibility as well, but unless we see some big red candles, we cannot think about taking a sell here. Okay, because market is still bullish. Okay, so if market comes down with low volume before the US session, we can look for buy around 3210, 3208 area. During the US session, if market drops, observe the market around 319092 area or 3175 area for a buy position. Okay, if you see market is taking support, then only hit the buy button. But if market surprises us with a big red candle, forget about buy and you can sit on a sell as a day trader. Okay, clear? And you can see I have also drawn a blue line here. Okay, it's a 3134 area. If we go to the daily chart, I feel that if market drops around 3134, 3140 area, market may take support. Okay, and be careful. Okay, because market is in consolidation, market may either go up or market may either go down big time. So be careful. Do not go for do not trade blindly. And one thing I would like to add here is that, okay, if market breaks 3175, then the structure of the market may change. Okay, but as of now, okay, there is no sign yet. But okay, just I'm mentioning that if market breaks 3175, we may see some structural change on the market. Okay, and we can see that uh, the news, okay, that was driving the market, okay, is not present as of now. Market has more or less digested the safe haven sentiment here, but still stay in touch with the news. Any news, okay, from USA will drive the market, make the market crazy again. Market has been very, not only gold, all the markets around the world are very sensitive to news right now. So stay in touch with news. Okay, so again I'm repeating, my dear friends, if you're a little bit confused, okay, so overall the market is still bullish, there is no doubt about it. So we are looking for buying at retracements only. Okay, and if market comes down with low volume, we can look for buy around 3210, 3208 area. If market shows little bit of high selling pressure, we can look for buy around 319092 area and 3175. Okay, but we also have seen that the market sentiment is slowly okay easing, and we have also seen the daily chart is also showing a divergence. So there is a possibility of a correction. So if market drops, we should not be surprised. Okay, and if you want, we can look for a sell position below. Okay, not below. Okay, you can look for a sell position below 3200 as well. And if it is a correction, then obviously it will be a temporary one. We can look for a buy around 3134, 3140 area. And gold is full of surprises, we cannot deny it. So if market shoots up, then we can look for a buy of 3250. But as of now, 3250 is trying its best to be a resistance because of the good number of contracts. But obviously market sentiment is above all. Any news will make gold fly again. We have seen multiple times. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable broker, because this is one of the most common question and requests I get from people. If you're looking for a reliable broker, then you can visit my website. You will find two options, Vantage and Star Trader. Okay, both are multi-regulated broker. Star Trader has a license from FCA, ASIC, ESCA license if you're from UAE. FSCA, FSA and FSC, multi-regulated broker, membership of the Financial Commission. And Star Trader is good for you if you're a day trader, because initially the spread will be 27 on gold, but if you use my referral link, then your spread on gold will come down to 17. Okay, after opening the account, just make the deposit any amount and just email to me or WhatsApp me that Avilash, I have opened the account, made the deposit, I can reduce the spread to 17. So if you're a day trader, then obviously spread of 17 can be awesome, isn't it? And if you're a swing trader, then you can go with Vantage, because in Vantage the spread will be a little bit higher, around 22, 22, 23 on gold. Safety wise, okay, you don't need to worry. Vantage is a big name. Okay, but the best thing about Vantage is that, okay, this is a special link that I have generated, and you will get a swap free account here. So you can use the account opening link here. You will get a swap free account from Vantage. Okay. So if you prefer to hold your trades, then you can go with Vantage. If you're a day trader like me, then Star Trader is the best option. Okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.